Introducing the 2010 Ford F-150. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.